Hey everyone. Today, we're breaking down a Facebook message that looks super official but is totally bogus. So, there's this ominous message titled Final Inbox SP Review. It says your page will be deleted for violating Meta's trademark rights. The message then tells you to click a link to submit a complaint, or else your page is gone for good. Red flag, right? Facebook usually sends official notifications from their verified domain, not random links or messages that threaten instant removal. When you click the link, it takes you to a page with a Meta logo and some text about Meta business support. The layout looks sort of like Facebook, but the web address is suspicious. It's definitely not facebook.com or meta.com. Right away, the mismatch between the official branding and the weird domain name is a major giveaway that this is fake. If you press request of review, you land on another page that says, Welcome to Facebook Protect. They claim your page is restricted, and they need higher security requirements. Then, you're prompted to fill out personal information, like your page name, your real name, phone number, even your birth date. Next, it moves on to asking for your email and password. That's a huge sign of a phishing scam. Let's talk about the domain itself. Chat-my-review-page-checker.space. A whois search shows it's registered under a vague name from Vietnam. The creation date is super recent. Legitimate Facebook services usually come from well-established domains, and they definitely wouldn't ask you for your password on a page like this. Checking VirusTotal is always a good move. Sure enough, it flags this site as phishing and malicious. That means security experts have already identified this domain as dangerous. To add more proof, UrlScan identified 52 sites with a similar setup to this scam. This pattern confirms it's not just a one-off mistake, it's a coordinated scam trying to trap as many users as possible. So, what's the bottom line? This is another classic Facebook phishing scam. The message is fake, the links lead to suspicious pages, and the domain has all the telltale signs of a scam. If you get a message like this, don't click, don't share your info, and be sure to report it. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and stay safe out there. Catch you next time.